Kalemba inombonzi chichechezo because wakomana wakango penda.
Mustard.
Kuli orange?
Mustard, a mix of orange and yellow. Like.
Kana towakopera kalema zangu.
You're funny.
Linda. Ndida kuziwa more about you.
More about me. Alright. Nandakaroorwa for 6 years and it was an abusive relationship. Ndairohwa nacho zvaanodani nachindirova achitasei imagine kutambudzwa nemwana wemumwe munhu. I had to quit the marriage panditora mwana wangu pandangonozvigarira ndega hangu nemwana wangu.
Nonanga?
One church, asudonipa mumwe. I'm kidding.
Down 50. Oh, sometimes it's better to let someone go. Some people should just go. That's a different level of self-respect.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, no.
Batanya, mazuva awanda, my friend. Wandi tichadzoka zuva reriya ravakasvika riya. I just hope that everything is fine. Ndine zvakawanda zviri pamwoyo pangu. Ndinoda kuti ndinge ndichitaurawo newe. Aiwa uya tambotaura. I need someone to talk to. I hope you Natanya muri right. And please, ukaona message you get back to me. Thank you.
Gives you happiness and freedom.
Yeah.
Utazibazira kuti unongochitambudzwa tozoda apa ivapo paimbowana Linda izvozvo hapasisina wafa warohwa wafa.
Yeah, sure, you're right.
Anyways, how does it feel good to out of a 6-year marriage? What's your favorite color?
Yeah, Torako, it makes you like an amateur, like being asked, what's your favorite color?
Linda, what is your favorite color? I understand it. We have been relationship for 6 years, isn't it? 6 years, you said? Yeah, after 6 years, and then I just come and say, what's your favorite color and food? But, I think
you're very funny. So, tell me more about what happened between you and my Tanya.
Oh. Once upon a time, there was Vanessa Angona and Dili.
Hey baby. What right here? Nandafunga pa mwato kangano ka voice le murumu wako. Ndakusuwa. Hope kuti muri fine koko. So randa uzokwanisa kuzofona mazuva apera. Impisari sei. Oh. Aiwa, no problem. Mbomuraira ka road runner. I think anofanga fare chaizvo. Yeah, it's true. And tunoziya kuenda kana ndine any problem. Babatanya is here, he's there. He's always there for me, so kana anything zvaitika kana whatever need help ndinongomhanya Babatanya. I hate this, man. But anyway, tinodarika. Batanya, ndatange ndinawo manje. Papana manje. you know, Komanaga is always up and down, and he's single these days. So, alright, babe. I love you. I tell him this, I love you. Alright. I love you too. Alright, bye-bye.
Chena man. Kwete boita unga kazi dalo sadambura.
Don't check it, man.
Tesera kwa kuje bonde ni soro ni budzi rekere pamiri papa.
I need that. I need a shape.
Yeah man. Uzo kana pasna ni na pana kono shika. I'm always there for you.
You're always there for me, Ngwan.
Yeah.
But last time I was teaser.
I'm sorry. Anyways, how are you feeling? Can I change it? We need to go back to the doctor.
Well, physically, I don't know if I'm getting better or if I'm getting worse. It's just confusing. And mentally, I'm a mess, man. That's one of the things that I wanted to talk to you last time.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hello? Toshika? Okay. Yeah, and immediately. No, send a guess. Okay.
It's okay. Don't worry, it's not important so much.
Yeah.
We can always talk when you're free.
Yeah. That's all.
I know.
2 minutes. No more better my spots. Yeah, man.
I know, not so.
Finish your order.
Just bring me anything.
Are you sure you're gonna be okay?
I'm going to be okay, don't worry.
And you're tall, you don't sound okay. But these are 2 minutes, and 2 minutes, yes.
Aye.
If you need anything, you call me.
Alright. How much does it take to ever just a normal single talk with someone?
I wonder if I wonder if yes?
Nachifunga about what happened between you and wakadzi wako Sha.
Of course you were.
You messed up big time, my friend. Unomboziya vakadzi tron wari fragile than you men. And to batana zvakanaka. Imagine kurana sisi nemunin'ina. Tomboti wede wakazviitirwa iwewe mukadzi wako urara namukoma wako waifara.
There's no words as I show. I hope I'm not regerera.
But unomboziwa unofanira kutanga wazviregerera iwewe. And then woenda wonokumbira regerero. Wakumbira regerero ka. Just try to be a good person after that.
Good person, how?
Just try to be good to everyone, regardless kuti ndiani wako, kungova munhu ari good, that makes sense.
Muzoje. Very young. And very, I mean, very short. Tiny. But somehow, fungo magazara wisdom. I think kuda wisdom is not forbidden.
Penitodzidza zvakawanda. And Okay, let me go and buy you lunch. Simna number ntengerao.
Well. Food is my passion, it's my talent, it's my everything. And you know what? What I'm watching the brothers are there, so giving me good advice. Shinene so lunch, above all. What I'm watching that, njakufarira more than 100 days, and njarama njakufarira more and more every day.
Sure.
Of course.
But want faro daro uyaorara and my sisters ang like what you did.
Wangu. Ndokwa zatosvike. Ingatutaurana zvakanaka wanhedu that. Waunditsomera mane kazi ndo reputation andikazvigadzirira yekuti ndinorara both sisters.
Kana ukamborara nemunin'ina wamaitani. What more wangu?
All
There are
right.
women too.
The circumstances were different.
What difference? What difference? They are all women.
All right, I did wrong, okay?
Yeah.
And you know what? This is one wrong thing I will never regret. Andemba.
No, mumba ndiskupinda.
Why?
I wasn't raised like that.
You are.
Kupinda Mudzimba dzevana.
Oh. Okay, I'll tell you what. I Zimba Emuni. Devan. So you'll just go with me.
No ngwani like kupinda mba me a male friend.
Oh, so that's not shamwari yako manje.
No. Ngwani.
I promise you. So all which code is need to come bomb one. Does it wait here? Come on. Tafum. Tau. Hey.